Hello, I'm David Attenborough. Our planet needs your help. Human beings are changing every part of this amazing planet. These changes are so great that scientists are saying that we have entered a new age, the Anthropocene epoch, the age of humans. This means that our actions are shaping the future of our planet, for better or worse. At present, we are using up the Earth's resources faster than our planet can replenish them. This is now a threat to us and to the amazing creatures we share our home with. The future of our planet is in our hands. We must understand how the natural wonders we depend on for our survival can be sustained forever. Explore the natural treasures on your doorstep and discover what you can do to help restore and protect wildlife all around the world. Connect with other young people, find strength in numbers, and unite to protect your future. Together, you can save our planet.